Yeah, there you are. There's a fish.
If you like the video, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so every time I put up a video, it will let you know. Yep, you know who that is, right?
I don't even know what the fuck I am.
You know who that is? I know who that is. But just think, we're not going snakehead fishing.
Where the snakehead at?
We're not going snakehead fishing.
Oh.
It's 31 degrees in the morning.
I'm confused. I don't know what I'm...
It's 31 degrees and we're with Grant. Now I would say this is part of Chesapeake Outdoor Sports, which I might throw a little minute clip up there just because. But we got 3 guys from Chesapeake Outdoor Sports here, but we're all at Kambotrout Fishing. It's too early. I don't feel like being all happy until I catch fish.
Yeah, we gotta find the fish where we get all giddy.
We got a guy that I think he's missing a rib. Chesapeake Sport Fishing with Grant.
There you go.
He's taking us out today. We're hopefully catch some rockfish. I am really hoping to catch a redfish, and a speckled trout would be kind of nice. Yes, but I won't complain with a nice big rockfish on bass tackle. But
Hell with it. Let's catch it all, man. Let's catch a flounder too.
Yeah, flounder. We're down pretty. Yeah, we're pretty far down south. I've never been here before. My first time out of here. I don't think I want to say where we're at, so we're just going to go with that. But I think that if I could get to shore, I might be able to go sick of deer hunting. It would be nice to hear one of them bugle this morning.
Yes, it would. I'll take a sheet of glass over the bugle though.
Yeah, it should be pretty nice winds out there on the bay this morning, especially with 31 degrees. 31 degrees is not fun when it's blowing 15-20 mile an hour. All right, so we're going to go out and do some fishing today, and we'll check back with you.
Once Grant hobbles his way over here.
Yeah, he's walking. He's got a messed up rib, but he's limping.
He's working on his 3rd injury now. Thanks, dude. Actually, I gotta get my vest. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, damn, came right off.
I'll take that.
Man.
Thanks, buddy.
You're height.
Thanks, buddy. There she is. That's a nice fish to start the day. There you go.
Nice camera. That's good with top water too.
It's blowing it up.
That's a grass fish.
Oh shit. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, I still had it on. Ain't that shit.
Little guy.
Going right back where you was casting.
Yep.
I've seen smaller.
Yeah.
Last time I saw you naked.
My wife hasn't been with me for 30 years because I'm lacking in that area, buddy. I was just bringing this.
Are you recording? That's a keeper.
There you go, dude. Yeah. Trying to have fun out here, man. So we got our buddy Kevin. He couldn't join us today. He's out in the tree stand somewhere probably right now.
Loser.
Freezing his butt off.
It's all right. There we go. Caught one on top water. Hey, I wasn't taping, but who cares? All the time, man. I've been hooked too many times to try to keep.
Got it. Oh, you missed it again. I got one. He's a Sam's on. Oh, you missed it again. Oh, you missed it again. Come on. Come on, man.
Oh,
Did you see that?
that's awesome. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got one.
No, but
Oh,
I think I got both of them on camera.
get it, you idiot.
just pause it for a second, camera. Pause your retrieve.
Got it.
Did you get up in the 20 on that one?
Huh? What's that, buddy?
Clear water.
Did you get on 20 on that one?
Look at that clear water.
120? What do you
Yeah,
mean?
is that one 1920?
Maybe. Maybe where's my my pliers? They're behind you, man.
These are healthy fish too right here.
Yeah.
They're fattening it up for the winter.
Healthy, clean fish. I love it.
Man, I got. Not trying to pat myself on the back too much, but
Hey, dude.
but
I'm good.
I'm gonna give you a long distance pat, dude.
This hasn't been good for. I haven't been this good at just saying, okay, the fish are right there. I think part of it is luck right now.
I'll take luck over good this any day.
Hey, pass over there. There's little fish up. Usually doesn't work that well. Oh, yeah, I'm on.
You're on?
Yeah.
There you
My
go.
GoPro isn't working, so if you could point at me. Just for,
Yeah, I got you, dude.
There you go.
Looking right at you. If I miss one, it's
17 inches.
this is a keeper though. Good for you.
How you gonna tell us to film you and then turn the other way, man?
Yeah.
Say, hey, look at my fish. No, you can't
Yeah.
look at it.
Look at that one.
Can you measure that for me? I think it's 19. Got it?
His stripes are really broken, man.
Yeah.
It is.
I think that's,
that-
I think that's 19.
Oh,
Top water, man. Top water rockfish. Woo! He's hooked up again. Now we're throwing top water, and you're throwing a swim bait, right?
Yeah, a little soft glass.
All right, I'm taking down. Sorry. That might be another keeper. Yes, I do. He keeps turning away from the camera. Let me see.
Are we witnessing a switch in channel content right now, Kambotrout?
Maybe if I had a boat, man.
Man, there's so much salt fishing you can do from a kayak.
Yeah,
It's not as reliable though. There's a lot of days you can't go.
Yeah.
That's because, yeah, man, when you're talking about wind, you start bringing your kayak out here, man, it's a whole other.
Yeah.
Oh, you get stuck out here. I got stuck out the Bay Bridge one time. Up the one up in Annapolis.
Oh, no fun.
I got out there and for one of the anglers tournaments for white perch.
Uh-huh.
I got out there to the first rock pile. Tide shifted, wind picked up, and I literally and that was back when I had my sit in, like a fucking jacket.
Oh,
out
Jesus
there.
Christ.
Yeah,
Like I
think I've seen
had
it,
no
yeah.
business out there. Whoop, boil.
Yeah. Honestly, I think that they should make, on the main stem of the bay, they should make sit-ins illegal.
I honestly, dude, I agree with you. There you go, dude. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna measure her.
This used to sound a lot better until I actually tried to clean it and oil it.
Oh, yeah.
It's been sounding like this ever since I took it apart. All right, this is the
Hurry up, this fucking battery charge out.
4th time. Well, we're sorry Cambo didn't catch anything today. I had to show him how to fish.
I mean, check my video for the truth, folks.
Yeah, I believe it'll show. Never mind. You know what? I'm going to let you live in your reality. Get out of the way of the logo.
Where's that? There we go. It needs to be down here.
There we go. All right. All right, man. Hey, thanks for sticking around. We're Chesapeake, we're Kambotrout, we're outdoors in Maryland, and we're done fishing. We had a blast. Top water fishing.
I got a lot of fish in my freezer, so y'all are
You sure?
welcome to it. Yeah, man.
I just take one.
And you got
do it, man.
kids living with you
Yeah.
24/7 now.
And those little things like to eat, man.
Feed them up.
Thanks for joining us, folks.
Yeah, that was a blast. And there's no
Thanks
chance
for
in
Grant
hell I
for taking
would've
us
gone.
out.
I would have gone home last night had you guys not been coming. So, thank you, because that was a lot of fun.
Hell yeah, dude.
When my alarm went off, I was just assuming, I was like, they don't know how far this is. they're gonna be late as texted you guys, and you're like, I'll be there in 20 minutes. I was like, why aren't you late like everyone always is?
I'm not late, man. I don't
no.
fucking...
Well, I know now.
I don't do fishing late unless I got some real bad stuff going down.
I know now.
Like, you know, like running into a turkey or something.
That kind of shit right there.
That'll fuck you up.
You guys know how it is. Usually when you
Like, share, and subscribe, folks.
Yeah. Like, Sarah Scott, no turkeys today.